challenging, adventurous and refreshing.
Sport, fun and helpful.
The iVET program gives an amazing opportunity for students to get out, to put hands on and to experience stuff for real, to look at practical apprenticeships and opportunities, allow them to broaden the horizons.
Some of the benefits that I've seen personally from being involved in the iVET is the ability to communicate when you put them standing in a tarpaulin and trying to see how many times they can fold it without having to step off. They figure out pretty quickly that everybody speaks and nobody listens. The ability to communicate and to work with other people, if you don't have that, you're not going to reach your potential. So that was massive for us.
Some of the skills I've definitely learned have been team building, where people are learning how to solve problems, work together, and how sometimes things have to be done in teams and not just individually.
I'd say 100% do it. You do learn a lot out in the outdoors. I did the higher ups course, which I really enjoyed. Then on the third day, we did mountain biking here.
I'd like them to be able to make personal choices rather than choices that are made for them.
If they can remember learning is lifelong and that the day you stop learning is the day you stop living, I'll feel like I've done something with the world.